Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice using Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open your Google Sheets, okay? So what you want to do on this page is you want to click on Templates Gallery. Then you want to make sure it's okay. So right here we can see invoice. So we're going to click on this. All right, so now here is our invoice template. So we're gonna make some settings. So you're gonna set it up however you want. So name, so invoice for, let's say, Drake. So company name, Ophio Industries, and then you can add street address, let's say Toronto, value, and then payable to so you can make sure you say set this however you like, then invoice number, then due date, project name, new singles. Okay, so we have quantity, unit price, total price. You can adjust and save. Okay, so while you're doing all this, you want to make sure you make a copy right away. Okay, just click on make a copy. So I'm gonna name it test the industries. Okay, and make a copy. Okay, so right here, let's say you have more than one row. Okay, you can just click on insert one row below. Okay, so you can just add multiple rows, quantity for, then you set this up as well. So this is basically how to create an invoice with Google Sheets. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.